Good morning, dears. Welcome to our computer class. In this video, we are going to discuss our computer chapter 3, Microsoft Paint. I know you all are very familiar with MS Paint, isn't it? Microsoft Paint or MS Paint is a simple graphic program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. Features of Paint. What are the features of MS Paint software? We can use Paint for creating, editing and printing pictures. We can draw different objects like pictures, cartoons, etc. We can also use Paint to view and edit scanned pictures. That means we can edit the pictures that we scanned into the computer by using scanners. Next topic we have to learn is how to open Paint. Do you know the steps to open Paint? Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Choose all programs. Step 3. Click on Accessories. Then step 4. Click on Paint Programs. How will we open MS Paint? Click on Start button. Then click on All Programs. Then select Accessories. Then click on Paint. When we click on this last step, Paint software will open. And this will be the first page or first window of Paint. Here we are discussing few important components of this window. Window means the first screen of this
created with free
Paint
version for
software.
non-commercial use.
Tab, ribbon, group, drawing area. These are the components we are going to explain. See the first one, tab. Here you can see the tabs, Home tab and View tab. So many tools are available in this tabs. Next component is ribbon. What is ribbon? This rectangular space where the all tools are displayed, that space is called ribbon. In ribbon, these tools are arranged as different sets. Each sets of tools are called group. Here you can see clipboard group, image group, tools group, shapes group, colors
Created
group,
with free
etc.
version for non-commercial use.
The next is drawing area. This white space where we can draw pictures is called drawing area. Next we have to learn about some tools in Paint. How to use shape tool. First, do you know this shape tool? Yes, the tools used to draw shapes are called shape tool. Listen children, this is the first window of Paint when we open Paint software. At the top left of the screen, we can see File tab, Home tab and View tab. This rectangular screen is called ribbon. When we select Home tab, on ribbon we can see these all groups. Tool groups, image group, clipboard group, shapes group, colors group. Here, these are the shape tools in shape group. In this shapes group, first tool is, you can see a line. This is line tool. Next is curve tool. Then oval tool. Let's see how will we use these shape tools. First tool is line tool. How will we use this line tool? Keep the cursor on this line tool. Click over now the line tool is selected. Now you can click and drag the mouse to draw the straight line. This is a method how we draw the straight lines using line tool. Next tool is curve tool. For drawing curve lines using curve tool, first you have to click and drag and draw a straight line. Then listen, now I am going to click here. What will happen? The line is curved towards my click. After doing this, you have to click once again in the same place. Then only that curve will fix over there. See, I'll show you once again. Select the curve tool, click and drag the mouse to draw the straight line. Click one place towards where you want to make this line curve and click in the same place once again. Okay, this is the method to draw the curve line using curve tool. Next tool is oval tool, which used to draw oval shapes and circles. Select that tool, click and drag downward corner to draw the circle. Use the same tool, click and drag towards right to draw the oval shape. Okay. By using the same oval tool, we can draw circle and oval shapes. Then, in the same way, we can draw rectangle shape. This is rounded rectangle tool. We can draw in this way. And the next one is polygon tool. How will we use it? Select the polygon tool. Listen carefully. First click and drag to draw the straight line. Then where will you click next? Towards the line will be drawn automatically. Then if you want to draw next line towards here, you can click that place. You can click on that place. Here, next to here. Like this, we can draw very easily. And it had to end at the starting point. Okay. In this way, it is very easy tool to draw the. I'll show you once again. Click and drag and draw a straight line. Then click the place towards where you want to draw the line. And click, click, click. Sorry. And the last click have to be at the starting point. That's the only one thing you have to keep in mind. Okay, that is the method. How will we draw the shapes using polygon tool? And next one is triangle tool. Okay, this is right triangle tool, diamond shape. Okay, like that, every shapes we can draw. Just click and drag. Next topic we have to learn is foreground color and background color. See, here you can see two colors. Among this one is foreground color. You can see the display here. Okay, this is the color we use to draw the pictures and fill the colors. Everything we are doing with this foreground color. And this is the color named background color. Where can you see this color? Here background color is selected as white. Here this background, can you see this background is white color. If you want to change this background color, what you have to do? Select that background color and select particular color by clicking on it. Then take the fill with the color tool. Take that one. Here you have to listen. You have to click the right button of mouse. Right click the mouse. Background of that page will be filled with the selected color. Here. Now, if you want to draw any picture in different color, what you have to do? Here, see, this foreground color you have to change. So first click on it and change it as red. Now you can draw flower or star in red color. Okay, what color you are selecting here, in that color you can fill and can draw. Here if you take fill with the color and fill it, that will be red color. Whatever the color selected as foreground will be taken for drawing and filling.
Listen dears, how is it? Beautiful picture, isn't it? This is drawn by a small kid. You also can draw these like beautiful pictures. In the next video, we will discuss some tools to draw these like pictures in MS Paint and how can we type our picture. Thank you.